Hey everyone, if you want your support team to receive a reply to WhatsApp customer messages directly inside your Zoho desk, I'm going to show you how you do that. So first, let's head into your Zoho desk setup, settings to add new messaging channel. So just log in into your Zoho desk with an administrator account and click the gear icon in the top right corner to open setup. It will look something like this right here. Then, also as shown here, under the channels category, click on instant messaging, and this is where you'll be. Then you click on the blue configure or add channel button. In our case, we can just have WhatsApp right here. Okay, you select WhatsApp, press configure, and then you can begin setting up your business channel. Next, you need to link your Meta WhatsApp business profile and set up ticket routing. So choose your provider option. You can connect directly using Meta WhatsApp Business or via Twilio. Don't forget to press integrate. Then press continue once again once you're logged in with your account. Okay, and you can just follow the on-screen authorization prompts to log into your Meta account, verify your WhatsApp phone number, and grant permissions. So in here, you just choose your account. On WhatsApp, it has to be the business account, of course, guys, don't forget. Then you move to inputting your phone number here, send the code and verify, input it here, and then you configure your WhatsApp channel. And within 24 hours of customer sending a message, your agents can reply freely with free-form text and attachments. And when you're done, you'll be taken to this dashboard. Enjoy.